I'm actually going to go in the patient's ears and take a look to see if everything looks healthy. We're going to check for wax because we want to make sure that the sound is not being absorbed by wax. We also want to check for a clear, healthy ear canal and eardrum or tympanic membrane. So I'm going to go inside the patient's ear and take a look, and then depending on what we see, I'll actually show mine as well so we can kind of see the difference. Alright, so we're going to take a look in here. And I don't know if you can see that right there. Let me get
okay, so
the
tell me
back.
what is that you're showing?
This right here, just going slightly in. If you want to turn your head a little bit for me, the other way. There we go. I'm going to go into past the first bend, and you can see kind of all of that debris there. That is actually wax. And you can see it varies in colors from dark to yellow to orange. And that's kind of showing how long it's been in there. So that is a completely occluded ear, which means that sound is being blocked when it's going to the eardrum. So we'll show the other ear. So if you want to look that way for me.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. There's the other ear. Now you can kind of see the eardrum right up at the top. You can see a portion of the eardrum, but you've got all this wax down here as well. So now what I'm going to do is kind of show you what...
That's it. Ears that have wax.
Oh,
now we're going to see one that doesn't have.
Now I'm just going to show you the difference. Now, I'm kind of an ear fanatic, so you're going to kind of see what mine looks like. I'm just going to refocus this just a little. Okay. You can kind of see again right here. See, that is a eardrum and clean ear canal. You can kind of see the part there where it's refracting back. You can kind of see the little cone of light down to the very right. That's where the eardrum membranes meet, and it kind of refracts the light back. You can also, if you kind of look, you can see a little bit of scar tissue where I've had tubes from when I was little. And that's down at the right as well. You see that whitish color? That's where it's healed over. There you go.
And then how long does the test take?
The test takes approximately 20 minutes from start to finish whenever we put the earphones on and we do a series of pure tone audiometry.
All right, thanks, Steve.
You're welcome.